Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're making a simple dessert featuring tapioca, mango and guava. We're going to try and layer it a bit so that we have our tapioca at the bottom, some fruit in the middle, and then tapioca on top. The very first thing we want to do is to get our fruit mixture ready, and for that we're going to chop up some mango and then try and get some guava as well. Now, chopping the mango is pretty easy, but trying to get the seeds out of the guava can be quite tiring. So you will need to bring some patience with that. Now, once that's all done, we're going to put the guava and mango into a pot, and then to that we're going to add a shot of rum, star anise, and some cloves. We're going to let that simmer very slowly under very low heat just to get all the flavors together beautifully without overcooking the fruit. Now once that's done, we're just going to set that to the side and then start on our tapioca. Now tapioca, if you don't know, is made from cassava starch and usually sold in clusters. But for this recipe, I decided to process the clusters a bit further and to make them a bit finer. Now you're going to add some hot water to the tapioca that you have, and this is just to get it all nice and soft before we cook it in some milk. So once that's done, you're going to put it in the pot and then add your milk to that, and then also add a pinch of salt and some cinnamon. And then we're going to let that boil and then simmer until we get that nice thick consistency. Of course, we're also going to add some sugar. I almost forgot that we're also adding some sugar to that. Now, I didn't add any sugar to the fruit mixture because the fruits are quite sweet and they did not need any additional sugar. If you are making this recipe, you may want to test how sweet your fruits are, and if necessary, then you can add some sugar. Tapioca is pretty common. I'm not sure there are too many people who don't know what tapioca is. Now once that is all done, we are going to get our serving glasses ready and then pour our mixture into those. To make it easy to pour, I put the tapioca mixture in a measuring jug. It has a nice spout and that'll make it easy to pour. So get some tapioca at the bottom of all our serving glasses. Then we're going to scoop some of the mango and guava mixture and then set it on top. And then finally we're going to put the rest of our tapioca mixture on there. And once that's done, you can refrigerate it. Make sure to put a cling film on it so that it doesn't develop skin. And I added some crushed biscuits on top just for a little bit more texture. And you can basically put on there what you want. And so there we have it, a very simple tapioca, mango and guava dessert. It's quite light, it's quite tasty. If you don't want to use regular milk, you can use soy milk, you can use almond milk, you can use any other plant-based milk that you have. And as you can see from the photos, this looks absolutely delicious. It is very delicious, or should I say it was very delicious. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and I hope that you will try and replicate this as well. Hope to see you in my next video and happy eating!